Hey y'all, you already know the vibes. Your girl is back again with another video, and today y'all, we got some oxtail. Do y'all see? Let's just get right into it. It's 3:36. I don't know why I'd be waiting so long to eat every day, but if you've been here before, you know I did not forget. They patties be going crazy. I haven't had oxtail in so long. See how tender this is? Best cabbage. Out of every place I've ever been, this cabbage, 10 out of 10. Like, just look how freaking good. Like, you just can't make up how like, look. I'm not even biting it. Today, take this as your sign to go get some freaking oxtail. The flavor, the tenderness, like every time I eat oxtail, I see people in the comments like, oh my god, it's so much money. This plate was $16. I feel like y'all be spending that much at McDonald's, so like, why are y'all mad? Y'all see that? This is the biggest oxtail I've ever seen. So tender, so juicy.
Trying Duo de Chef for the first time. This is my first time trying Asian food, and apparently this is the best spot in Montreal. This looks amazing. First up, I got their griot poutine. Just look at that. The griot is nice and tender and beautifully fried. And you know I love that meat. I really like the fattier portions of the meat. Now what I'm most excited for, the mac and cheese gratiné. I even got some shrimps on there. Look at that beautiful crust on the outside. Oh, this is the one. Sauce is really good, and there's a bit of grease, which I really enjoy. This shrimp looks oddly familiar. Beautifully grilled, can't complain there. The flavor is definitely there. I would definitely keep the shrimps. Could eat this mac forever. I'm not usually a big fan of mac and cheese, but this is definitely up there. Overall, the food was good. You can tell right away that everything was seasoned. I think the different ingredients really mix well together. I would love to come back again and try some of their even more traditional food. So for all my Asian people, let me know what dish I should try next. And as always, don't forget to like and follow for more.
Alright, let's check out some oxtail. Y'all, when I tell you, I've been waiting on this all day while I've been at work. That's all I've been thinking about. You don't gotta bite off the bone, you just gotta suck it. It's too good. Oh yeah, comment what video I should do next. I might go live tonight, so make sure y'all be looking out for it. Make sure y'all join. I'm gonna be answering some questions about myself because it seems like y'all got a lot of assumptions about me. Alright, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
Whatever. Food still.
Stuffed oxtail patty.
We got Jamaican food. Dunn's River, baby.
In the house.
I got oxtail, rice and peas, and steamed veggies. Sweet chili shrimp.
That looks so good.
Yeah.
I need one.
Thank you, Miss Vera.
It's really fucking
Do y'all like goat?
Tiff got oxtail pasta. I will be trying some.
Before me.
And I got curry goat.
Sweet plantains.
Oh, thank goodness. I love these.
Cholula.
Very good. Try it again.
Oh my god.
Food.
Is it nasty if I dump this sauce in my food?
Good.
It's just like all.
It was on it to begin with.
Yeah, sorry.
I have to go to Jamaica.
Beautiful pink goat.
So really need to go to Jamaica.